Pickled beans, eat them before bed and fight yourself to sleep. They're juicy, tangy, sweet, a little bit of heat. So good, they'll f your shit up. Bonus points if you use homegrown beans. If you're not growing beans, you gotta get on that. Green pool beans, they will put out like crazy. Perfect for pickling. Prep works the same whether you buy them or grow them. Just give them a quick rinse in the sink. Maybe a bit of a longer rinse if you're buying them. I don't know what they put on them. Then I just cut the ends off, tops, stems, whatever you wanna call them, and they're ready to go. Jars aside, I pour a little bit of boiling water in there. We'll call that sterile. Same thing with the caps and rings. And then I like to use garlic and dill because what's a pickle without garlic and dill? Homegrown garlic, homegrown dill. Man, I'm growing a lot of stuff now. Pack these jars, pack them tight. The more you pack them, the less brine you need and the more beans you get. Keep stuffing them, jamming them, get them in there, tuck them in, fill the gaps, whatever you can do. Then I like to wrap one around the top to hold it all down. No floaters that way. All right, equal parts vinegar and water, that's 2 cups, and equal parts coarse salt and sugar, that's 4 tablespoons, and then half to a full teaspoon of cayenne for the spice. Add it all into a pot and bring it to a boil. You can scale this any way you want, so bring the 2 cups up to 4, bring everything up proportionally, do some math, learn some math. It'll help you make pickles, or not. Subscribe, like, notifications. You know I'm Fridays at noon. Now, if you don't have one of these jar fillers, I highly recommend it. It's a godsend for pickling or filling up mason jars. Fill up all your jars with brine, stuff those beans down, make sure there's nothing floating up. Put your caps on, twist them, look for them to pop down. If they don't, you're gonna have to redo them or microwave them. That's it, pickled beans. You're gonna fucking love these things. They are unbelievably good.